Look at the little bastard. He just sits there and fucking looks at you. Will you leave my fucking house, you little bastard? Get out of here. Smile for the camera, dickhead. You dumb bastard. Why couldn't you leave the door? But you gotta be over here. Yeah, I'm thinking about chicken for real. You wanna bump all into my damn stove. You wanna get in the oven? You wanna be baked chicken? Is that what you want? You want to be baked chicken? Get the hell out of my damn room.